Hey Etsy people, thank you for your purchase. Today I'm going to show you how to put these Bougie Classy Ratchet vinyls onto each one of these cups. This is the transfer tape that you're going to need to put on top of the vinyls. I just grabbed a random card to help put it on. So before you start, you're going to want to clean each one of your cups with alcohol. This will help it stick better. We're going to start with the shot glass and do the ratchet. So let's make sure we don't touch it after we clean it. These have already been cleaned. So I'm going to take the smaller one of these transfer tapes and peel it off. The white part, the clear part. So the clear part, I'm going to put it right onto the word we want. Now I'm going to take the card just to kind of help it stick on a bit better. And it just comes off perfect. So now it's on the transfer tape and not on the white. So here's the shot glass. I want the R to go right on top of where the shot glass starts so that we can see it. I always do the middle first, and then, like I said, this one is the hardest one to do. So kind of press on the top of the words. You can use the card, your nails, whatever you want. Now, we have to make sure before it lifts that everything is stuck. And of course, there's a little bit of fingerprints on mine, but the C is probably the hardest letter out of all of them. Okay, and then instead of pushing it down, I like to do that, but like I said, the C, you kind of have to. Okay, so now it's not all the way down, so push, push, push. And then this one is done. That one is the hardest one. So once you do that one, everything else is easy. Promise. Classy is probably the easiest one, so we'll save that one for last. So now we're going to take the bigger transfer tape. And peel it off the back. Now the good thing about the transfer tapes is they're reusable, like many times. I gave a lot extra, but I would use the same two for at least 4 or 5 sets. But it's up to you what you want to do, obviously. So and see how easy it just peels off. Bougie. I love the little diamond. So this one's easy. Basically, you want to get the middle on first. Once you get the middle on, you can get the other side on. To take the card, make it stay on better for now. And pull this off. And voila. Perfect. Bougie with the diamond. Looks so cute. After you have those two done, classy. Classy is the easiest one. It can go on pretty much anyway, and it would be fine. So I use the same transfer tape that I used for Bougie. Like I said, it's reusable, so don't feel like it's not. Classy. I like to do it from the bottom to the top. So, like this just wraps around. You could save that to do other ones if you purchased more or use a new one, whatever you want, and then you just kind of smooth it out. You smooth it out for all of them. And look at that, ladies and gentlemen. It's all done. So now, this might sound crazy, but what I do for these after is I bake them. So I put my oven to 300 and I put them in for 5 minutes, and then I turn my oven off and I let them sit in there until they cool all the way, because I don't want to take them out when they're hot in case something happens. And personally, other people might not do it, but I find that makes this stick nicer, stick longer, stick better. And then you could just, like, if there's any little bubble when you do it, you just press down on it. It's going to be good after you bake it. That's just my tip. I mean, it's up to you. So, classy. Bougie. Ratchet. Thanks.